Waterick Wells. We are off to Hawksbill, a beautiful day on the water.
We love exploring the more rugged and remote islands, so instead of remaining at Waterick Cay another night, we decided to head north to Hawksbill Cay. We didn't know what we might find there, but we were definitely up for the challenge. Hawksbill Cay is uninhabited and part of the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park.
On another adventure.
Don't you love a surprise? Like when you head off on a dinghy exploration, but your expectations are really low, and then you discover something that just blows you away. This was our experience when we rounded the southernmost point of Hawksbill Island, and our eyes almost popped out of our heads. What lay before us was one of the most beautiful places we had ever seen. Endless white sandbars snaking through crystal clear water in every hue of turquoise. It was magnificent and a perfect place to spend the morning swimming and flying our drone.
Isn't this a great place?
That's amazing.
Too glad we came here.
Yeah, in every bay there seems to be something that's just beyond spectacular. The water here is amazing. The sandbars, it's just
You know what really helps is looking at Google satellite. Being able to find these incredible places on the satellite, plan your day, go to them. I mean, this delivered in spades. I mean, This place looks 20 times as good as it did on the satellite. And we're the only people here. It's stunning. This place puts Waterick Wells to shame. Even if it was just as nice, which is even nicer, the fact that there's nobody here but us is incredible. I love this spot right here.
Butt brake on.
Core activated. Nice. Looky. Yes. Thanks for watching. Listen, and if you enjoy videos like this that are informative about the butt brake and other things, just adventure in general and entertaining, which I hope this is, please subscribe. Please click that like button, share, comment. We're so glad you're watching. We love you guys. Don't we, sweetie?
Yes, we do. This water is really rushing.
Feel the core? Feel the core?
It's a big workout.